This is Jamie with BarEye. In this video, we're going to show viewers a couple of tools available in the BarEye reports to help them optimize their draft beer pricing. So we're here on the accountability dashboard. We filtered by draft, and we can see this bar is accounting for 87, almost 88% of the beer that they poured in this period, meaning they're missing just over 12% of what they poured. So the first thing is, normally the biggest impact on your draft beer or the liquor cost on your draft beer products is how much is missing. We typically see good performing bars hitting 95% accountability. So the losses would be less than half, and that is a big loss. We can see in this case, the wholesale cost, these guys poured away 253 pints that were not accounted for, or 1.9 kegs. The cost of that was $229. It caused their liquor cost to be 25% this period, when it would have been 22.8% if they weren't missing a bunch. Normally, if you score 95, you'd expect a 1 percentage point difference. We understand, of course, we're not going to sell every drop, but this difference of 2.5% is a little bit big, and we'd like to see this close to 1 percentage point. So the first one is understanding your accountability, where your liquor cost is and where it would be if you weren't wasting beer. Second tool we can look at is on a product by product basis. We can also look at the cost per serving, what we're selling it for on average. That's directly from your point of sale system, and the resulting liquor cost and what it would have been if we didn't waste any. So this is obviously helpful to figure out where we need to tweak things. And also, if we switch over here on a second page to our recipes report, here I've done a search by Voodoo, and now I can see liquor costs on a button by button basis. So these guys have got a number of different ways they sell the Voodoo Ranger. They've got pint, a tall pour. They sold 38 pints at $4.88. The serving size accounting for head is 14.5, meaning the cost was $1 and it's hitting a 21% cost. We can also see on their flights what the cost of the ingredients and what costs. And also these guys are smart. They're ringing up their tasters, which obviously has a 0% cost. And just check that. So there's a few tools available in the BarEye reports that help you optimize the pricing of your draft beer. Thanks for watching.